use artificial intelligence, ChatGPT or Cloud AI, to use these as your assistant, your physical assistant, to help you monitor your health moving forward. For some of this, what we did, and to give you guys a good idea in terms of the prompts to ask or put into these ChatGPTs, whether it's you take the information from all the stuff of like your Apple Watch or your Whoop or what have you, and then you can upload those documents into these AIs. Or if you want to try something random, this is what we just did just to give a good understanding. But the prompt, one of the prompts was design a 4-week cold heat therapy plan to improve testosterone, sleep, and joint recovery for a 40-year-old male training 4 times a week. And it's incredible. So you can see when you're putting these prompts together, maybe change the age, maybe change the sex, male versus female, maybe change how many days a week you would want to work out, or other aspects that you want to improve. So you can see how it's framed. And it's incredible. It put together an overview of the goals. It goes into cold in the morning, having hormonal activation, dopamine boost, versus heat in the afternoon, night, which helps for the parasympathetic rest, sleep.
Nice.
There's a contrast, there's cycling intensities, and it even gives you a weekly structure of Monday through Sunday of times, morning, evening, post-workout, the time duration, like 3 to 5 minutes, water immersion versus some days 3 rounds of cold versus heat. And it goes into week 1 to week 3, 4. It does a lot of
all of it for you.
It's incredible. And that's just one sentence.
Yep.
And that's why we're bringing this in, because these, like, they're obviously, we're giving you as much tools as possible, but with everything and all AI stuff moving and helping humans, it's inevitable for mass adoption. It's more of who are able to utilize these and adopt it earlier on to have those benefits sooner than later. And that's what we're pushing for a lot of people, to start utilizing these things into your everyday life and processes from there. Now, there's a couple other interesting ones. The prompt idea was, what's the best cold therapy protocol for reducing fibromyalgia pain based on recent research? And it pulls up all like the recent research, and it pulls up all these different studies that are related to fibromyalgia, and then goes into certain specifics with that. So that's cool. And then the next prompt would be, create a 5-minute breath prep script before cold plunge to improve your vagal tone. Now this was this is crazy. I gotta find this document.
I was gonna say, I want to see that.
Okay, so this is, it puts together a script, a 5-minute script, and it goes into, if you were to almost YouTube meditation videos on YouTube or something like that, and it walks you through the meditation session, it's the same thing, but you put this into an AI script. And I actually did this, and it was incredible. Put into 11labs.io or voicemaker.in, and it pretty much has an AI voice read from the script, and you're pretty much just creating your whole
So you just basically created a guided meditation for yourself with your own script. That's awesome. That's so crazy.